I just was gifted Secondz. This is a pretty brilliant food storage container system, so let's unbox it and check it out. Now, if you're anything like me, the cupboard where you have your food storage containers is probably a disaster. And what's amazing about this is not only do these take up less space, but you can keep everything together when not in use. You're never gonna lose a lid again. And I am loving this bright orange color. I will definitely not be losing these, even if I don't put them back together. And what makes these so cool is that they're fully expandable. So the lid pops off with 4 latches, and then the main container just pops right open so you can store what you need, and when done and washed, you can collapse it back down for easy storage. Now you get 2 of the 16-ounce containers, and I really do love these airtight lids. They do have a silicone seal all around them, so they really seal quite nicely. And then on top of these 2, you get a very large 32-ounce container. Much better for those great big meals, or maybe a whole week's worth of leftovers. Now you can toss these in the microwave, just make sure the lid is not sealed on. And you can toss these in the dishwasher, no problem. That goes for the base and for the lid. And they are interesting. So the base is this silicone material. Everything is BPA-free. And then the hard part is the top edge. And of course the lid is completely hard. And these latches feel really good and sturdy, like they'll last a long time. And you can see that they just have hard hooks along the edges, and that hooks around this hard top right here. And like I said, it has that silicone seal. And then to just put it on, just put it down and snap in on the sides, and you'll hear all those snaps, and then it's on very cleanly. One thing to keep in mind that I am taking a moment to adapt to is I want to push down, but because it's collapsible, you don't want to push down with these, you really just want to snap in. But there you go, 32 ounces, lovely little 16-ounce container, and another. These really are fantastic. I love how small they store. Never lose a lid again with Secondz from Drip EZ.